Good morning. Okay, let me start with 7th question. So what he has given 7th, once you look at A is 8, nth term is 62 and Sn is 210. I should find n and d. Now once think about, till now I was using the first formula. Now can I use the second formula which I learned before? That is Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus an. Once you think why I used this. If I use the first formula, I don't know d there. So here I know an and Sn both. So I can use this formula. So Sn is 210 equals to n, we don't know, n by 2, keep as it is. A is 8 plus an is 62. 62 plus 8 is 70. So you can see now only one n unknown is remaining. I can find n easily. So n equals to 210 into 2 divided by 70. Cancel, 70 3s are 210, 3 2s are 6. So number of terms I got 6. Now he is asking find d. Once you think how to find d, again you want to take first sum of n terms formula or else any other way is there? Yes, you have an is 62 and you found out n is 6. Nothing but what? Just think about it. What is the connection between these two? In place of n I can write 6. So when I write in place of n 6, then an is replaced by a6, that is 6th term is 62. Now you can expand a plus 5d equal to 62, a is 8 plus 5d equal to 62, 5d equals to 62 minus 8, 5d equals to 54. So what is the common difference you got? D equals to 54 by 5. Now I need to find d I got. Now I have to find n. n and d both are over. n is 6 and the common difference is 54 by 5. The next question is 8th question. Given an is 4, common difference is 2 and Sn is minus 14. Find n and a. Here also I am taking the second formula because we know Sn and we know an. So substitute. Sn is minus 14. Keep n as it is. A also we don't know. Keep as it is. An is 4. So bring 2 this side. Minus 14 into 2 is minus 28. N into a plus 4. Okay. You will get, I think, you will get a doubt how to solve this. Yeah. We cannot solve because n and a you have two variables. So keep as it is. And let me move for the next concept. What here I have to find? So given an is 4. So with the help of this I can substitute in the previous statement. An is 4, expand a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 4. So a plus n minus 1, d is what? 2 equal to 4. Now multiply. Be careful children in simplification. This is only main concept in arithmetic progression. You have to simplify correctly, then only you will get the correct answer. So multiply this with 2. n into 2 is 2n minus 1 into 2 minus 2. And bring this minus 2 this side becomes plus 2. And 2n also you bring this side becomes minus 2n. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2n. Take it as second equation. So I got a in terms of n, that is a equal to 6 minus 2n. Now I have second equation and I have first equation. So what I can do with this? Can I substitute a in this so that this full equation becomes only n? So let me substitute children now. Substitute 2 in 1. Just minus 28. I am substituting in 1 now. Minus 28 equals to n into, in place of a in equation 1 I substituted 6 minus 2n. So plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 2n plus 4. So you got in the bracket. Multiply now and you can see there is double n here. So you will get quadratic equation. N into minus 2n square plus 10n. So and you can see that n square coefficient is minus 2 negative. Make it positive. So I am bringing these two terms on the left side. Minus 28 I am keeping as it is. minus 2n square becomes plus 2n square, plus 10n becomes minus 10n, and minus 28 write as it is and arrange in standard form. As you know, what is the standard form? First 2 should come, then the power should be 1, then the constant. That is, as you learned in polynomial chapter, ax square plus bx plus c is a standard form of quadratic polynomial. The difference between polynomial and equation is just you have here equal to 0. That's all. Now I got one quadratic equation, that is 2n square minus 10n minus 28. Now you can see I can divide this whole equation by 2. So when I divide, I will get n square minus 5n minus 14. Now and again you can do the factorization method. 1 into minus 14 is minus 14. Think about the factors of 14. Minus 7 into 2, that is 7 2s are 14 as you know, and 7 minus 2 is what? 5 plus 5, but I need minus 5. So keep minus for 7. Minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. Minus 7 into 2 is minus 14. So split the middle term. Minus 7n plus 2n, nothing but minus 5n. From the first two terms you take n common, we get n into n minus 1, 7. Same n minus 7 you write it again and see the third term. N is already in the bracket. You can see n is already in the bracket from the third term. So what is remaining from the third term? Plus 2. That you write out of the bracket. This is one means a shortcut I am explaining, or else you can do directly 2 common from these two terms. So n minus 7 is a common factor, n plus 2 is the another factor. Now equate n minus 7 equal to 0, n plus 2 equal to 0. So we got n equals to 7, n equals to minus 2. So as you know, n cannot be negative. So how many terms you got? N? 7. N is 7. So in this question, one more question is there, that is I have to find n and also a. So I got n already 7. And we have an equation 2, that is a equal to 6 minus 2n. With the help of this equation, so from equation 2, a equal to 6 minus 2n, substitute n as 7. Just now you got 7 2s are 14. 6 minus 14 is minus 8. So a equals to minus 8. So in this way we found out n and a. So you can see each question is different from each other in this main. So you should be very careful and see the data and then apply the formula. Thank you children.